one when my dog Javi produced that one, you see it? Create a show with a way we can't see it so clearly. Never ask for nothing yet, but if you're here, we protect you from the wicked and evil. We come near with that's all really I beg you do.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Adriana. Today I am doing an exciting makeup look for you guys. I'm getting out of my comfort zone. I hope you guys enjoy. So right now I am just priming my eyelids using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I love this stuff. Now I'm taking my MAC eyeshadow and I'm using this into the crease. And it is in Bark, and I love this eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, it is so pigmented. Make sure you blend it out. Now I'm taking my ColourPop eyeshadow. I love this stuff too. It's absolutely amazing and it's so pigmented, guys. Like, I love this stuff. And I'm just applying it onto the lid. Now I am taking my NYC eyeliner. I actually don't know the name of this actual eyeliner. I will put it in the description box for you guys, but I'm taking this to make my wing eyeliner. This is great stuff too as well. Make sure you pick this out because this stuff is the bomb. Okay. And now I'm just applying my eyelashes, and these eyelashes are from Huda. These are absolutely thebomb.com because it just makes your eyes look so big. Now I'm going back in with my concealer that I used on my lid, and now I'm just highlighting the under eye, be highlighting my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Oh my god, now I'm just being really silly. Now I'm taking my damp beauty blender and I'm just blending out the concealer. Just spreading it all out, making our under eyes look bright. You know what I'm saying? Making them look super bright. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. I had to look at the concealer to know the name of the concealer when I use this all the time. Isn't that ridiculous? But I'm using this to contour my face and my 5 head, turn it into a 3 head. You know, I gotta do that because we don't want our forehead to look bigger. We want to make it look smaller. So that's what we're trying to do right now. Now we're doing the unusual. A lot of people do not contour their nose, but I contour my nose to make my nose look straighter. So I'm just blending out the contour on the nose so it doesn't look harsh and it looks nicely blended out. So that's what I'm doing right now. So lately I have been loving this powder. I was using the Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup powder, and I went back to my Airspun, the translucent powder, and I absolutely love this powder now. I switch between powders like all the time. Like, I just love the stuff nowadays. It doesn't make my skin look yellow. That's why I love it. Now I'm taking my MAC blush in Blunt, and I'm just bronzing up the cheek where we did our contour. I'm just bronzing it up a little bit. And now I'm taking my new favorite liquid highlighter. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It is from Wet n Wild, and it is the Mega Glow Hello Halo liquid highlighter. This stuff is so amazing, and it is in Goddess Glow. This will have you be glowing for days. I promise you, it is that good. And now I'm taking my MAC eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, I love this eyeshadow for highlighting the underbrow, the tear duct, the bridge of the nose. I love this stuff. I don't know the name of it, but I will put it in the description box below for you guys to refer to it so that you guys can pick it up. This will have you glowing for days too, if you're trying to get that glow. And now I'm just applying mascara on my bottom lashes. This one in particular is from L'Oreal, and it's the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Mascara. This, oh my gosh, this mascara, oh, it makes your lashes look so long. It's so good. And now I am using on my lips one of my favorite liquid lipsticks of all time, and it is from NYX, and it is their Liquid Suede line. It is so good. I just wanted to play with color this time, so I wanted to use this one. And the color that I'm using on my lips is a Little Denim Dress. And listen, this lipstick, you can wear this to Carabana, you can wear this out for dinner, you can go somewhere nice, and you could be looking on point with this lipstick. Let me tell you, I wore this and I got so many compliments. You be looking on like fire when you put yourself together with this blue lipstick. I'm telling you, don't be afraid. I promise you. Now I'm just applying the same highlighter that I used on the high points of my cheekbone, and I'm applying it to my chest and to my collarbone to give us that extra glow to the skin. And now I'm spraying my face with Fix Plus spray to set my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you really like this and you're gonna try it out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
What do I know? What do I know? My dog Javi produced that one, is it?